Rob Owens, executive producer of Soy Equity, The Untold Cost. This is a docu-series that will feature multicultural wellness professionals that have pursued ownership in the fitness industry.
I love this work. I love what Lululemon is allowing me to do for this community, and I'm really grateful to these folks that you've just seen in this movie for allowing me to be a part of their journey.
It was great. Shout out to the whole crew. Shout out to this man. Shout out to Lululemon. Shout out to everybody, man. This is a great inspirational film. We got a lot more coming. Let's go.